US Army strong. US Army strong. US Army strong. The number one in the world. The greatest thing what happened to me now this I joined the US Army in my 20s. I left Nigeria in my 20s. US Army strong. Just for the channel. Just for the channel. Nobody fit check on. Nobody fit check on. And they see all na celebrities and some of na, you know, some of na pastors. Now they talk rubbish. Now they talk rubbish. Say number one, make a first start from this place. You know, I thought say that now USA can't like America. Say that now USA can't like America. Say USA don't like America. Number one, go and check fact. I don't say most of them for Nigeria na be mumu. Now why look I come out there when in my early 20s because I don't say most of them be mumu for there. Now what's the talk for man? Now maths na they always talk. In I thought say USA don't like Nigeria. Say now they just like Nigeria. Say una don't say Nigeria now he get the highest population of Africans for USA, and USA don't like Nigeria. Go and check, because now the check record, now no get sense. All now do now to cruise. We don't know say na cruise Nigeria did for no sense. Just come cash cruise online, nobody get sense. After 3 days, they don't forget, they don't move on. Anywhere the left is fans, now no get sense. Now one na president, all na leaders, then they chop na head, now no get sense. Because they know so most of them no get sense. Now 10 kilo by me when I get. Like it don't get happen. All happen, they kill many people, they like say na AI. Say it no happen, now no get sense. No brain. I always thank God say I joined the greatest force, covered by the greatest force. They don't burn anybody papa mama wear up on top of my own lyrical head. Now thought say US no like America, USA no like Nigeria. Now Nigeria plenty pass America. Go and check your record. I don't just talk like you or whoop say I don't get sense. I need to do research. Now Nigerians plenty pass for Yankee among all the old Africans, but USA don't like Nigerians. But now Nigeria plenty pass. Number two, you're not going to spread the yaya rumor. They see all those olori portable, all those idiots, Mr. Jollof, all those gay when you get sense. When they said Nigeria, all of them don't try to apply for American visa. They don't give that Jollof. The portable don't beg for American visa more than 25 times before they can't give them the 26th time. All those gay, they don't go US embassy, they deny them. They're plenty like that. And at the end of the day, in America, they still can't settle down. They call the big party their old age. Now Yankee, they save all of them life. Nobody. But now this same Yankee, I thought say no like now. Now this same Yankee that they come, we say all of that they use to last hope. All my abilities, if the life don't spoil for Nigeria, now don't fall off. Now Yankee that go come the big party. We are the other stock. Evidence yakpa. I save them. Mr. Jollof don't go US embassy more than 5,000 times. They don't give them this. Olori buruku. You can't talk to now America like Nigeria. Nigerians now plenty pass for America among the old Africans, and USA don't like Nigeria. Number two, in a thought say if USA go any country, say any country where they enter, they always scatter. Now lie, now no get sense. Now they do now research. Now only Brooklyn most of them. Now why I jack in my 20s? Now can't join the greatest force, which I'm always happy. Fake army where they he pain them. You understand? He pain them. US army go gara. Fake army. In a thought say US army, then they go anywhere where they go. Say that they always make sure say the country no progress again. Now they only Brooklyn. Make account the numbers of countries where US army dey, where the country still dey progress. We have a base in Poland. Poland is still progressing. US army is in Poland right now as I'm talking. US army is in Germany. Why their country? Why we not steal their natural resources? They are coming to steal our natural resources. And any country where they go, how can you come from one country and be stealing somebody's natural resources? How is it possible? If at all, if any country will steal anybody's natural resources, it's gonna be with the permission of that government. Now no get sense. Now wait, how long will now go take to move for Nigeria? All politicians don't know say now foolish. Now no get sense. Now why they always play on our brain? How can somebody come from another country and enter another man's country and be stealing their natural resources without the approval of that government? How is it possible? It's not possible. So if at all, if any country will even want to steal anybody's natural resources, it's with the permission of Naoga. So it's not possible, which is a lie. Now go to any country where US go, you know they progress. Libyans are the one that killed Gaddafi themselves. It's not America. America has nothing to do. Show us your evidence. Because you all are entering my DMs. Some people are entering my DMs. This and that. Don't come. Oh. Mr. Trump is not telling, Mr. President is not telling us to go to, they don't tell US Army to go to Nigeria to go kill, it's not to kill anybody. It's for peacekeeping. They are not going to Nigeria to fight innocent soul. What Mr. Trump was talking about, Mr. President is talking about, is that they should stop killing of the Christians. And the Christians could be anybody, because if they come for peacekeeping, It's everybody they will protect. Because nobody say they go right now for anybody else. Say this one are Christian, this one are Muslim. Mr. President don't need any of your natural resources. We have everything in America. That is why all of them they come America. And the country we are fighting for, that's why we stand for America, because that's the country I'm fighting for. So all of Nigeria British, Nigeria they come. They come the great party, all them Dr. Seed. All of them they plenty. Today is not the day where J1, all of them they day. After their career don't crash for Nigeria they come. All of them in America they come. Why they don't go another country? But in America won't come to your natural resources, but all of them won't come America. And I don't say that they mad. The whole world wants to come to America. The country be defended by the Marines and the US Army. All of them won't come. Thief. But you all will be talking shit about America. And I go talk to America is the one sponsoring all those kidnapping, terrorism in the world. Where's the evidence? Where is your evidence? Why all of them they come America to survive, to come do paper? And you know the Buruku, LSC. We have a base in Poland. Why we don't steal the natural resources? We have a base in Germany. We have US Army went to Afghanistan to work with security forces of Afghanistan to fight against Taliban. They didn't go there to fight Afghanistan. They went there to fight Taliban that are fighting Afghanistan. And we left Afghanistan because we spent too much money in Afghanistan. We lost like 1,000 soldiers. Taliban that fight, they are over 100,000. Taliban will fight for Afghanistan is over 100,000. Go and check. We only lost 1,000 soldiers or thereabouts. So US Army is the number one. There's nothing like we left. We ran away from Afghanistan. We didn't run. We left Afghanistan because we were there to help their security forces, and we are paying too much money. It's not like all those idiots soldiers that doesn't know anything. Like this one that is following, where they follow portable talk, we don't know anything about. See as they follow portable talk. See person they follow portable talk. This one like mumu like this. See as they follow portable talk. No get energy. See soldier. We're supposed to position portable. We're supposed to check pay. This one don't know anything about army. You don't know anything about army. Forget in rank. See as they talk. We're supposed to, I don't feel talk about them with the talk because there is action. Now we don't go be army. We get action. Anywhere we went, people they fear us. We know the history. USA Army didn't go to Afghanistan to steal their natural resources. We went there to support these Afghanistan security forces to fight the Taliban. And they were able to, to bring down US Army of like 1,000 soldiers thereabout. Taliban were buy for there is over 100,000 when we drop. We left Afghanistan. We didn't run away in Afghanistan. We left them because we spent too much money there. We have all our big planes there. Mobility command, air mobility command, everything we come out for there. All this one don't know anything about army. All our equipment, we even left some because we are wasting money there, over billions of dollars. That was why we left. We didn't run away in Afghanistan. They know. We not in Afghanistan. Taliban were fight Afghanistan. We didn't go there to fight Afghanistanis. We went there to fight Taliban, to help Afghanistan security forces. Any country where you see Americans going there, we are going there to help their security forces to stop ISIS. We are not going there to fight them because you people don't have sense. We are not going to fight any countries. Most people who join me, they don't know anything. They just join me. Most Nigerians who join me, they just join me because of paper. They don't know anything about the army. Now we don't go be army. Now we they represent army. Those ones don't know anything about army. We have base in Germany. We have base in Poland. We have base in Kuwait. Up to now, why we don't see the natural resources? We have base in everywhere. Iraq. Till we just tell me why we don't see the natural resources in Iraq. We have base we have base in Jordan. Camp Ajifan for Jordan. Why we don't see the natural resources in Jordan? We are always there for peace. We are always, because the whole world, they rely on US Army. They rely on US Marines. So that's why we are always out there to support. We haven't fought war in a very long time. Maybe the last time we fought war, maybe it's the Vietnamese time. We haven't fought war. Any place we go to is for peacekeeping. We are supporting because the whole country depend, not like all those Chinese who then they come to America, where they call it suffer. Chinese is good. They are coming to America to do paper. Have you seen any Americans going to Chinese to do paper? On our mouth. America is the greatest country. So respect Mr. President. We are not going to Nigeria to fight the innocent people. Mr. President is sending the troops there to stop terrorism, to stop genocide, to stop kidnapping. They are not going there to fight Nigeria. All those ones say, all those one boy portable, all those Mr. Jollof, they tell those Gẹgẹ, those idiots, those illiterates, those na pastor, those olori, those show with all of them. They are going there to support the masses, people that have been taken advantage of. Now we don't come in the military. We know the work. But it's my journey here, so I just make a clear and doubt. US Army strong, fight for the right, and the ready to the and the army is rolling along. And it's the army is on his way. Stand on the kid, it's not a show. If it every go, you will always know that the army is rolling along. God tear their father. That we don't be the US Army. Maybe all those nonsense that they sell, all those Nigerians that they sell, we don't know anything about the army. God tear their father. Fake army boy.
Ó ti ń rúgbọ́ bọ̀ o. Àjọ máa mú nǹkan balẹ̀ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yẹn ni. Ẹ̀yin ará mi, mo mọ̀ pé ti gbọ́, ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo tẹ́ bá gbọ́ ni mo tún máa ń yànnàná lórí platform yìí. Wọ́n ní bàbá wa, bàbá T-Pain, ó ti fohùn sókè, ó ti gbóhùn sókè pé gbogbo yánmọ̀yánmọ̀ rádaràdá tí Donald Trump ń sọ torí fó fẹ́ gbé epo, ó fẹ́ kọ̀ǹtrólù wa ní irọ́ ló ń pa. Ẹ̀yin ará mi, ọmọ ìyá mi ṣe gbọ́ ohun tí bàbá Tinubu wí. Ó lóun ò fẹ́ kí Amẹ́ríkà kọ̀ǹtrólù wa o. Èmi náà fọwọ́ sí i. Kì wá ń ṣe Amẹ́ríkà nìkan. Bàbá Tinubu tí ò fẹ́ Amẹ́ríkà, tí àwọn Fúlàní ń pa wá lórí ilẹ̀ wa láti bí ọdún 2 àbọ̀ tó ti wọ́ sórí àpèrè. Bàbá Tinubu ò sọ kankan sí o. Kò béèrè fún help o. Àwọn DSS ò pa, wọn ò tí ì mú èèyàn kan lóhun rẹ̀ kan gbójú ẹ̀ síta. Bàbá Tinubu wá ń pariwo United States of America. Bàbá Tinubu fún ara ẹ̀, ẹ̀yin ará mi, hypocrisy wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, àbòsí wà lọ́wọ́ bàbá yìí, mọ̀nàfìkì ó wà lọ́wọ́ bàbá yìí, àgàbàgebè ó wà lọ́wọ́ bàbá T-Pain. Bàbá Tinubu kan náà yìí ló fa Emmanuel Macron of France mábẹ́ tó ń tẹ̀lé Macron bí èkúté ilé, tó ń tẹ̀lé Macron bí ẹdìyẹ, tó fẹ́ sọ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀nù, tó ń tẹ̀lé Macron bí pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, àtòun àti ayagba tó ń gbé sílé. Kí ló ń ṣe pẹ̀lú Macron? Ṣebí globalist náà ni Macron tó lọ sí Burkina Faso tó ń wọ̀ wọ́n ní gold for more than 60 years tí ò jẹ́ kán lówó fi tọ́jú ìlú. Bàbá Tinubu gbé Macron sẹ́yìn o. Òun kan náà ló gbé Shaguri, Ronald Gilbert Shaguri, àwọn criminal ní Lebanon ló gbé sẹ́yìn. Bàbá Tinubu ò gbé sẹ́yìn nìkan o. Bàbá Tinubu ti talẹ̀ Yorùbá, bábíìtì Yorùbá mo tuntun sọ. Bàbá Tinubu ti ta bábíìtì Yorùbá fún àwọn Shaguri, àwọn olè. Ẹnu mi gbà o, àwọn criminal tí bàbá Tinubu bá dìlì nìyẹn o. Ó ráwọn yẹn kò lé wọn o. Banana Island tó belong to wọn lè ilẹ̀ Èkó, ó ti gbé fún Shaguri o. Part of Maiduguri, bàbá Tinubu ti tà fún Macron of France o, pé kán wá dá military camp síbẹ̀, or military base ló pè. Ṣe rí pé bàbá Tinubu alágàbàgebè ni, amukumẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àgbàlagbà ni wọ́n. Kò fa Amẹ́ríkà but kò mind France kán wá jókòó sórí ilé wa. Kò mind àwọn Shaguri kán máa gbalẹ̀ àwọn lọ́nílẹ̀ jù. Shaguri wọ́n ti kọjá ọmọ ìlú, wọ́n ti di onílùú. Ronald àti Gilbert Shaguri of Lebanon wọ́n ti kọjá ọmọ Nàìjíríà o, àwọn ló ń rúlu Nàìjíríà fún wa. Bàbá Tinubu wá ń fẹ́ fún wọn ò fẹ́ Amẹ́ríkà, k'Amẹ́ríkà má control òun. Ojoojúmọ́ làwọn Chinese wa gold wà nílé Ifẹ̀ kí lẹ rí ṣe sí. Ẹ̀yin bàbá oníkòmọ́kòtọ́ yìí, ẹ̀yin ará mi ẹ máa wo double standard, ẹ máa wo hypocrisy bàbá Tinubu. Bàbá tó ń wo àwọn Boko Haram, àwọn Iswat, àwọn Lakurawasi, àwọn Musibawu, àwọn Ahmed tó ń pa wá lọ́sàn-án, tó ń pa wá lóru. A lè sùn nílé wa lóru, a lè jáde láàárọ̀ ká lọ síbi iṣẹ́ àwọn àgbẹ̀ ò lè lọ sóko àwọn ọmọdé wa ò gbọdọ̀ jáde wọ́n rèpù wọ́n kidnap wọn ẹ kú olórí burúkú wo ni bàbá Tinubu wa ń pariwo ń sìn tó ń ké bí egbére tó gbẹ ní lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò tí àndù bàbá Tinubu ò àndù àwọn tó ń pa wá lórí ilẹ̀ wa o wọ́n ní genocide wà Nàìjíríà àwọn sọ̀ǹgbẹ́tọ̀ bàbá Tinubu nírọ́ ni ṣé bàbá Tinubu máa sọ pé àwọn ọmọ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Benue ni ọ̀ Plateau State ni ọ̀ Ìlọrin ni ọ̀ lẹ́tà tí àwọn Boko Haram ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ sí wọn lóńdó bàbá Tinubu ò mọ kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ Amẹ́ríkà ló wá ń fẹ́ fún sí Amẹ́ríkà ni bàbá Tinubu ń pariwo mọ́ ẹ bá mi sọ fún bàbá Tinubu pé kán fi làpálàpá sílẹ̀ o kán lọ wo orílẹ̀ wọ́rápá kán lọ wo ẹ̀tẹ̀ tó ń jẹ àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè wọn làpálàpá ni bàbá Tinubu rán ló ń fi gírísì pa lórí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ti bò wá omi ti mú wá bí ọrùn wa Fúlàní ń pa wá ní mẹ́sàn-án mẹ́wàá bàbá Tinubu ń bá wọn ṣe píìsì ó ń bá Boko Haram terrorist ṣe peace conference àwọn tó wọ́n bá ṣe peace conference wọ́n gbé gbogbo ògbó wọn àti ọta àbò wọn sọ́rùn wọn ò kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àǹdíwò kọ́ gbà yẹn àwọn Boko Haram ló wọ́n dictate nǹkan tó fẹ́ wọ́n láwọn ti release 50 so kẹ́nìbọ́dì má yọ àwọn ẹlẹ́nu kó má di ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ṣé ìlú làwà yẹn ṣé ìlú tó lórí wà nìyẹn tí governance ń lọ hegemonic governance pẹ̀lú egregious activities tó ń lọ lórí ilẹ̀ wa bàbá Tinubu wá láyàláyà ó rò pé àwọn ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí Amẹ́ríkà tó ẹ pé tó bá wọlé gan ológun sàn yẹn ní kọ̀kọ́ tó máa fi defend ara yín àbí embassy ti Amẹ́ríkà níbẹ̀ ẹ rò pé wọ́n ní lásán ni ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ pé nǹkan ogun wà níbẹ̀ ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan ìjà wà níbẹ̀ tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ aṣọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ lọ́kọ̀ọ́kọ́ máa jó mọ́ ẹ lórí èmi náà support globalist o kọ́ wá ganu kalẹ̀ sílùú wa gbogbo ìlú ló fẹ́ ganu kalẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti mọ̀ yí pé amukú mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ làwọn tó ń lùlù wa wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé tọ́ bá ti dáyà já yín ẹ máa fò gànà ni wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ẹnìkan ṣe oníranù irin kò sọ́bẹ̀ ńlẹ̀lẹ̀ ń rìn bàbá Tinubu ìsìn lẹ́nu yín wá mú lẹ́nu yín mú bíi razor blade lẹ́sẹ̀ orí kankan bí ọrùn máṣíìnì Ìgbò lẹ́wọ́n ń pariwo pé Amẹ́ríkà ò lè rúlu yín Amẹ́ríkà ò rúlu yín France tó jókòó tì yín lórí ńkọ́ Lebanon tó jókòó lé yín lórí ńkọ́ àbí Ṣàgúrì àti Ronald àti Gilbert Abẹ́òkúta àbí Ìbàdàn wọn ti wá ẹ̀yin bàbá amukun mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àwọn Chinese ń wa góòlù lọ́tún lọ́sì ní Sambisa kí lẹ ṣe bàbá Tinubu àwọn wo lè rò pé ń tàn àwọn wọn lò òpònú tó ṣàyà délẹ̀ torí wọn ò pé tó máa believe gbogbo rádaràdà rédèrèdè tẹ̀ ń sọ lẹ́nu ẹ jẹ́ kọ́wọ́ ọmọ yín bá ṣọ́ kẹ́ ẹ kó owó ọmọ yín bá ṣọ́ kẹ́ lọ ask for help bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa checkmate Fúlàní tó ń pa àwọn èèyàn yín torí pé kán bá pa àwọn èèyàn yín tán bàbá Tinubu ẹnu ọ̀nà lé yín ló ń bọ̀ tán bá rí yín ní Aso Rock wọ́n á pàdé yín ní bọ́dí lọ́nà àwọn ilé onílé tẹ gbà tẹ sọ fi ti yín wọ́n á pàdé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ àlè tẹ́ ń fọwọ́ òsì júwe lé baba ńlá baba yín oníjẹkújẹ Oliver Twist àgbà òṣìkà àgbà òṣì níyàn bàbá Tinubu àgbàyà ẹ níbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ fi ọ̀pá á fi tepúlù wọn ìyá yín fún yín lójú gírọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀yin bàbá rádaràdà rédèrèdè yìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi ẹ rí ariwo tí bàbá Tinubu ń pa lórí Amẹrika. Bàbá Tinubu ò lè pariwo lé Fúlàní lórí. Àwọn ọmọ panipani, àwọn ọmọ amújẹ, àwọn ọmọ abámàlúùsù, àwọn ọmọ amútọ̀, àfihùtọ̀ fọ́rí. Bàbá Tinubu ò lè pariwo lé wọn lórí. Ó wá jáde síta, Amẹrika ló ń pariwo lé lórí. Ṣé Amẹrika ló ń pa wá? Wọ́n ti fẹ́ gbépo wa, èyí kọ́ lẹ ti ń tepo fún wọn lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ lófò. Tẹ́ ti fowó, ẹ ti fi gbogbo owó epo ìlú, ẹ ti fi yáwó tán. Èló lẹ ń gbà lórí epo náà, epo tí Buhari ti siege for the next 25 years ẹ ní rí epo. Ẹ lè rówó epo, wọ́n ti ya wọ́n ti kówó epo fún yín. Bàbá onímọ̀kùmọ̀kùn rádaràdà rédèrèdè. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi, ẹ pa oriwo fún bàbá Tinubu kó kọ́kọ́ lọ handle làkùráwàsì, kó lọ handle Islamic State of West Africa Province ISWAP, kó lọ handle wọn náà o, kó handle Boko Haram, kó tó máa gbé ẹnu tìrìpì, ẹnu gbàǹgbà, ẹnu òbúkọ, kó tó máa gbé síta kó tó bí òun fẹ́ bá Amẹ́ríkà yànnàná ọ̀rọ̀. Kọ́kọ́kọ́ lọ ṣe ti Fúlàní náà, tó bá handle Fúlàní. Àwọn ọmọ ta fẹ́ sọ fáwọn alákọ̀rí because kì í ṣe Amẹ́ríkà nìkan ló ń wá lu ẹ̀rù. Gbogbo globalist náà fẹ́ ṣe yẹ̀ǹgẹ̀dẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà lọ́rùn torí wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú lẹ̀ ń rúlu wa, olórí burúkú nìyí, kò sórí kankan tó da lọ́rùn yìí. Ẹ ní vision, ẹ ní mission fún Nàìjíríà ju pé kẹ́ máa jí owó lọ, owó tẹ́ máa jí tó yẹ pé pọ́sí lọ́ máa fi rà, owó tẹ́ máa jí tó yẹ pé London lẹ́ máa fi ṣe surgery, owó òṣìwò lẹ́ wá ń kó, owó ìranuwo lẹ́ ń jí, àìsàn náà lẹ́ máa fi wò títí tó máa fi pa yín síbi tẹ́ ń lọ, àrùn náà lẹ́ fi ń wò, surgery náà lẹ́ lọ́ fi ń ṣe. Tẹ́ bá kúrò ní France ẹ lọ London, wọ́n lọ wò yín. Wọ́n á lọ pè yín létà. Bàbá Tinubu ò ní kankan ṣe òyìn ara mi, ẹ má jà tán ara wa. Tẹ́ bá wo ohun tí bàbá Tinubu fẹ́ ṣe, ó ń wá all kinds of side tracks tó máa confuse yín, tó máa distract yín, so that ẹ ní mọ̀ pé wọ́n ń pa yín lógúnlógún, wọ́n ń pa yín lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n. Bàbá Tinubu ò ní kankan ṣe ẹ̀yin ara mi. Oníranù ni bàbá Tinubu. Wọn ò ní kankan ṣe, wọn ò ní nǹkankan wọn ò ní ṣe. Tẹ́ bá wá tẹríba tẹ́lẹ̀ fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan sí bàbá Tinubu sọ, ìyà la fa fi jẹra wa o, ìyà ni o. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi ẹ̀yin ará mi? Distraction ni bàbá Tinubu fẹ́ cause so that ẹ ní ráyè wo bí Fúlàní ṣe ń padán fún yín lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ó fẹ́ kẹ́ gbé Amẹ́ríkà dání, kẹ́ máa pariwo we don't want America. Tá a bá fẹ́ Amẹ́ríkà, ṣáàtì túlù wa tó fún ara wa. Aláàfẹ́ lọ bàbá Tinubu ò dá sí wa. Ó ní Nàìjíríà is indivisible. Ọmọ àlè wọn. Níbo ló fi ìyá Fọláṣadé sí? Ṣé wọ́n ti rìtáyà ẹ̀? Wọ́n sáàkì ẹ̀ ní? Wọ́n divorce ẹ̀ ní? Wọ́n separate ní? I don't know. Èmi ò mọ verb tán lò. Ṣùgbọ́n kò sí ya Fọláṣadé Òjó lọ́dọ̀ wọn. Ìyá Ṣèyí ńkọ́? Bàbá Tinubu tó ní Nàìjíríà is indivisible. Níbo lẹ fi ìyá Ṣèyí sí? Ṣé divorce ẹ̀ ní? Abẹ́ ti wọ́ sọnù, ó ti kú sọnù, ẹ ti fi ṣe ohun tí ẹ fẹ́ fi ṣe. Ológì ní òru lẹ́yìn náà, ẹ ti tara bọ èṣù. Gbogbo agbára òfò tẹ́ gbà dání, ó máa tó yín ti, ó máa nà yín. Agbára burúkú tẹ́ lọ gbà, tẹ́ fi ń jẹ wáyà. Èyí wà lẹ́lẹ́ lẹ́lẹ́ ẹni kò sí nǹkan ẹ jẹ bótóbótó gbogbo agbára òfò tẹ lọ gbà àtàwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn yín agbára yín ló máa nà yín mọ́lẹ̀ èmi ò mọ bọ́lọ́run ṣe fẹ́ ṣe o òun ni à ń pè ní ọlọ́run tó ń dájọ́ àfẹ́yìn pẹ́ran gbogbo bí tẹ sọ wá mọ́ bàbá Tinubu tẹ dè wá mọ́ tẹ fẹ́ máa ṣe mọ́kùmọ̀kún rádaràdà rédèrèdè yánnayànna lórílẹ̀‐èdè tá a pè ní contraption gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́lọ́run máa tú ó máa jó níná bíi gúgúrú fún yín etí yín á ya tẹ bá rò pé bẹ́yà ẹ máa fìyà jẹ wá lọ títí àní rí ọ̀nà gbogbo mo ní kẹ́ tutọ́ ẹ̀ dànù ibi tẹ ti ń sá lọ tẹ gbé plane yín á jábọ́ á di gúgúrú wọn ò ní rẹ́yìn gan lára ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ á tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ọlọ́run kò fọ̀rùn kẹ́ abati wíjúwe á tún ṣẹlẹ̀ bàbá Tinubu tí ẹ bá ṣọ́ra yín ṣe a máa gbé òdìdí ọ̀run lẹ́yìn lórí ni tẹ bá lẹ́ẹ̀rí gbẹ́sẹ̀ kó lọ́rùn wa ẹ̀yin gan ẹ kàn dín nídìí yọ ẹ kàn ìdí nídìí yọ ẹ jẹ bàbá ńlá yà gómọ̀ ṣáàdáyà yà ẹ jẹ́ àfi tí ò bá sí ọlọ́run èmi dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run wà mo mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run wà lóru àná sẹ́ni ó ti já mi sí àwọn nǹkan kan bí ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pé tọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation torí ara tèmi gan ó já mi sí ẹ̀yin ní kẹ́ wọlé tọ̀ ọlọ́run lọ kẹ́ lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run bí tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó fún yín ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi ẹ má jẹ́ kí bàbá tí pain bàbá tí trouble bàbá tí chaos bàbá tí depression bàbá tí genocide kàn distract wa ẹ pariwo síta sí gbogbo àgbáyé ẹ gbóhùn sókè kẹ́ má bẹ̀rù ẹnì kankan Ọlọ́run sọ fún Jeremiah ó ní kó má wojú wọn jọ lọ sàn tó ń rán yẹn tó o bá dẹ̀ lọ tó ń ṣe sìmẹ̀sìmẹ̀ ìwọ gan máa dójú tì ẹ́ torí náà ẹ̀yin ará mi ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi dédé tẹ́ ń gbóta ohùn síta tẹ́ ń gbójú síta ẹ má bẹ̀rù the Lord has not given you the spirit of fear ó wà nù 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7 he has not given you the spirit of fear but the spirit of power spirit of love and a disciplined mind orí tó pé orí wa pé àmọ́ tá à ń ṣe o pàálà fẹ́ lọ kò ń ṣe ti gbéraga tí ń ṣe ti ya ọ torí pé ó ti sú wa lórí ilẹ̀ one evil Nigeria one contraption one decadent country tí ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ò tó ti polúṣe ẹ bá mi sọ fún wọn pé ilé tó lọ a fẹ́ lọ lé wa tí bàbá Tinubu ò bá fẹ́ lọ tó sì fẹ́ bá wọn máa mú tọ̀ àwọn máa mú jẹ àwọn máa pani máyọ̀dà àwọn Fúlàní àwọn ọmọ kabal abámàlúùsùn tó bá sì fẹ́ bá wọn ṣe kó pín orílẹ̀-èdè kó tẹ̀lé wọn lọ ó jọ wọn náà rágàmá lizard ojú wọn ni ojú Fúlàní lójọ wọ́n ti sọ pé ọmọ Ìrágbìjí ni wọ́n fojú jọ Fúlàní so kan bá Fúlàní lọ a dáàṣì bàbá Tinubu fáwọn Fúlàní kan jọ lọ ṣe tó bá fẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn. But as far as we are concerned, we have no time for their idiosyncratic nonsense. We are sick and tired of the shenanigans of both the Fulanis and the saboteurs among ourselves. Àwọn saboteurs wà láàrin wa o. Àwọn saboteurs wọ́n wà láàrin wa. Tí n bá ní kí n máa dárúkọ wọn fún yín, ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ wọ́n. Àwọn saboteurs tán ti torílẹ̀-èdè bàbá ńlá bàbá wọn. Àwọn máa lè. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n dárúkọ wọn fún yín, some of them. Mo ti dárúkọ wọn rí. Wọ́n tún fẹ́ pàdé àpòpọ̀. Wọ́n tún pàdé àpòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ Fúlàní. Wọ́n pera wọn ní Socialist Labour Party or support. Professor Olori-ede yẹn pé gbogbo prof tẹ gbà gbogbo òwe tẹ́ka ẹ̀ ní làákàyè ẹ̀ lọ́gbọ́n lórí wọ́n nàìjíríà lẹ́lẹ́ dúró sí wọ́n ní dúró pọ́ọ̀kì ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún yín ọmọ bìtìkó òun lẹ gbé dání òun làdmínì yín tó ń fa èèyàn yọ ẹ̀rí pọ́ máa lè ní yín àwọn tó kó yín lẹ́rú náà lẹ́tọ́ ṣìkì ṣọ̀ká lórí yín Professor Olorode ọmọ àlè ní yín I don't know you but ẹ lọ sórí YouTube channel kẹ lọ wo ohun tí mo ti sọ sí àwọn olórí wa tó bá jẹ́ kára yín kọ́ lórí olórí ọmọ Yorùbá olórí burúkú nìyẹn olórí burúkú nìyẹn sọ́ni.